Hello students, today we are going to solve the exercise 2.7 from chapter fraction and decimals. So first question is find, and first part is 0.4 divide by 2. So how will we do it? Write 0.4 divide by 2. So first we will remove the decimal, so 4 upon 10 and divide by 2. Now we can write 2 as 2 upon 1. So to divide it, we have to change 2 upon 1 into its reciprocal and then multiply with 4 upon 10. So 4 upon 10 multiply with reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now we can cancel out 4 by 2 times. 2 2s are 4. So this is 2 upon 10 into 1 upon 1. So 2 ones are 2, 10 ones are 10. Again change this fraction 2 upon 10 into decimal. So there is 1 0 in denominator. So we can put point before one digit. So 0.2 is our answer. Third part of the question is 2.48 divide by 4. Okay. So first remove the decimal. So 248 upon 100 because there is point before two digits and divide by 4. Now we can write 4 as 4 upon 1. Now to divide it we have to change 4 upon 10 into its reciprocal and then multiply with 248. So reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. So 248 upon 100 multiply with 1 upon 4. Okay. डिवाइड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको रेसिप्रोकल में चेंज करके देन इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Now cancel out this 248 by 4. So this will cut 248 in 62 times. Okay. So we have 62 upon 100 into 1 upon 1. So here we have 62 upon 100. Now change this fraction into decimal. We need to put point before two digits because there is 100 in denominator. So 0.62 and this is 0.62. Okay, so this is our answer for third part. Now fifth part of this question is 651.2 divided by 4. So 651.2 divided by 4. Now convert this decimal into fraction. So 651 and remove the decimal by putting 10 into denominator. So this is divide by 4. Now 6512 upon 10 and we can write it as 4 upon 1. So we have to change it in reciprocal and multiply 1 upon 4. Okay. So 4 upon 1 का reciprocal होता है 1 upon 4. Now here we can cancel out 6512 by 4 and this will cancel out this digit 1628 times. Okay. Now we have 1628 upon 10. To convert it into decimal we have to put point before one digit from right. So 162.8 is our answer. Okay. Now question 2 we have find. First part is 4.8 divide by 10. So 4.8 divide by 10. Now change this decimal into fraction. So 48 upon 10 divide by 10. Now 10 we can write as 10 upon 1. Make reciprocal of 10 upon 1 which is 48 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. Okay. Now 48 into 1 is 48 and 10 into 10 is 100. Okay. Now there is two zeros in denominator. So to change this fraction into decimal we need to put point before two digits. So 0.48 or 0.48. Okay. Now fifth part is 272.23 divided by 10. So 272.23 divided by 10. Remove the point. So 2,72,000 So this will become 27223 upon 100. That is, हमने remove कर दिया point को. So this fraction is 27,223 upon 100 and divide by 10. So we can write 10 as 10 upon 1. Now to divide it, we have to change this 10 upon 1 into its reciprocal and then multiply with this fraction. So 27 upon 100 multiply with 1 upon 10. Okay, now this will become 27,223 upon 1000. Okay, now to convert this fraction into decimal, we need to put point before 3 digits from right in numerator, because here is 3 zeros in denominator. So this will become 27.223. Okay, so this is our answer. So next we have question number 3, and in this question we have some parts. So few of them I'm solving here. First part is 2.7 divided by 100. So this is 2.7 divided by 100. Convert this point into fraction. So 27 upon 10. 2.7 ka 27 upon 10, and then this multiplication sign and put this divide sign and then 100. So we can write 100 as 100 upon 1. Now 27 upon 10, to divide it by 100 upon 10, we have to reciprocal plus 1 upon 100. Okay, now 27 into 1 is 27 and 10 into 100 is 1000. Now convert in decimal. So 1, 2, 3, we have to put decimal before 3 digits in numerator. So this will become 027. Okay, so put point and write 0 here. So 0.027 the answer. Second part is 0.78 divided by 100. Same process, 78 upon 100 हम लिखेंगे, divide by 100. Okay, and 78 upon 100, we can write this 100 as 100 upon 1, and to divide it we have to multiply its reciprocal. Okay, so 1 upon 100. Okay, now 78 upon 100 into 100 is 10,000. Okay, now to convert it into decimal, we have to put point before 4 digits. So we have already 2 digits in numerator. So write 78, and to make them 4 digits, we have to put 2 more zeros ahead of 78. Now put point and write here 0. So 0.0078 is our answer. Okay, now sixth part is 98.53 divided by 100. So 9853 or 9853 upon 100 divide by 100. Okay, now we can write it as 100 upon 1. So to divide it, we have to multiply its reciprocal. So 9853 upon 100 multiply the reciprocal of 100 upon 1 is 1 upon 100. Okay, now here is 9853 into 1 is 9853. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Now to convert it into decimal, we have to put point before 4 digits because we have 4 zeros in denominator. So 0 point, we have already 4 digits in numerator, so 9853. So 0.9853 is our answer. Okay, now question number 4 is find, and first part is 7.9 divided by 1000. So write 7.9 divided by 1000. First of all, we will convert it into fractions. So 79 upon 10 divided by 1000 upon 1. Okay, we can write it 1 in denominator. Now as we were doing before, 79 upon 10 multiply the reciprocal of this 1 upon 1000. Okay, so this will give us 79 upon 10,000. And to convert it into decimal, we will have 79 and put two zeros before 79 and put decimal. So 0.0079 is our answer. Okay. Now second part is 128.9 divided by 1000. 128.9 divided by 1000. Now convert it into fraction. 1289 upon 10 divided by 1000. So we can write 1000 as 1000 upon 1. Now 1289 upon 10 multiply with the reciprocal of 1000 upon 1 is 1 upon 1000. So this will give us 1289 upon 10,000. Okay, and now we can convert this fraction into decimal by putting point before 4 digits. So we already have 4 digits in numerator. So write those 4 digits 12, 8, 9 and put point before 4 digits and 0. 0.1289 is our answer. Okay. Question number 5 we have find. First part is 7 divided by 3.5. This time we have point in denominator. Okay. So we can write 7 as 7 upon 1 divide by 3.5. So 3.5 we can convert it as 35 upon 10. Okay. Now write 7 upon 1 as it is and change this fraction into its reciprocal and then multiply. So multiply with reciprocal of 35 upon 10 is 10 upon 35. Okay. So here we can see that 7 can cancel out 35. Okay. So 7 5s are 35. So we have 1 upon 1 into 10 upon 5. Again here 5 can cancel out 10. So 5 2s are 10. So we have 2 upon 1 which is 2. Okay. So our answer is 2. Second part is 36 divided by 0.2. So 36 upon 1 we can write it as 36 upon 1 divide by 0.2 it can be written as 2 upon 10. Okay. Now 36 upon 1 will be remain as it is and multiply the reciprocal of 2 upon 10 that is 10 upon 2. Now we can cancel out 36 by 2 in 18 times. So this will give us 18 upon 1 into 10 upon 1. Okay. So this is 18 into 10 is 180 upon 1. Okay. So answer is 180. Okay. Third part is 3.25 divided by 0.5. So 3.25 divided by 0.5. First of all, convert each decimal number into fractions. So 325 upon 100 divide by 5 upon 10. Okay. Now to divide it we have to multiply the reciprocal of 5 upon 10 with 325 upon 100. So 325 upon 100 multiply with 10 upon 5. Okay. Now we can cancel out 100 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 times a 100 and 325 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 5s are 25. Okay. So this will give us 65 upon 10 into 1 upon 1. Okay. So this is nothing but 65 upon 10 which is by converting into decimal give us 6.5. Okay. The ninth part of this question is 2.73 divided by 1.3. Okay. So convert these decimal number into fractions. So 273 upon 100 divide by 13 upon 10. Okay. Now convert 13 upon 10 into reciprocal and multiply with this fraction. 273 upon 100 multiply with 10 upon 13. Okay. And we can cancel out. We have to know the divisibility test. If we know, we can see that 13 can cancel out this. Okay. So you can simply multiply it and then divide. Okay. So 13 can cancel out this by 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, and 1 remainder, 13 1s are 13. Now 10 can cancel out 100 by 10 times. This will give us 21 upon 10 into 1 upon 1. So this is 21 upon 10, which is nothing but 2.1. Okay, so 2.1 is our answer. Now question number 6 is, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So we have given that a vehicle, कोई एक vehicle है जो 43.2 किलोमीटर कवर करता है 2.4 लीटर पेट्रोल में. ओके, तो हमें बताना है 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. सो डिस्टेंस covered in 2.4 liter petrol is 43.2 kilometer. Okay, so in 1 liter the distance covered is, what will we do to make 2.4 liter 1 liter? We have to divide it by 2.4 and it will become 1. And so with 43.2, so we have 43 upon 2 divide by 2.4. okay, now we have to change these decimals into fractions. So 432 upon 10 divide by 24 upon 10. okay, to divide it by 24 upon 10, we have to multiply the reciprocal of 24 upon 10 with 432 upon 10. So 432 upon 10 multiply with 10 upon 24. Okay, so this will give us, we can cancel out 10 by 10 and 24 can cancel out 432 in 18 times. Okay, that means we have 18 upon 1 into 1 upon 1, which means we have 18. Okay, so 18 kilometer will be covered by the vehicle in 1 liter of petrol. Okay, so students, this was your exercise 2.7 from chapter fraction and decimal. Now you have to solve all the other questions and also the questions that are solved in this video in your notebook and practice well. So I'll see you with next chapter. Till then, keep practicing and take care.